Hi, welcome to another video. We are going to talk about today Proxmox. Proxmox is a platform which is a virtual environment. It's same as a VMware and Hyper-V from Microsoft. So Proxmox goes beyond the bare metal hardware, and then you can set up your VMs, containers, and stuff on top of it. And the biggest advantage of having a Proxmox that it is a open source, so you can have different sort of things and stuff on it, and there are a lot of documentations available on the website. You can check out the Proxmox website for more details. Link is in the description below. The topic we're going to cover today is how to create a VM on Proxmox. For this, I'm going to use Windows. Right, so this is my environment. You can see I have few virtual machines already deployed in there. And we're going to create another one there shortly, which will contain Windows 2022 server. Let's get the ISO from Microsoft website. I'm going to fast forward this process. And once we have ISO downloaded, we will start building the first VM. Once the image is downloaded, we are going to upload it to the local Proxmox volume. So the Proxmox servers have two different volumes. In my case, you may have multiple and stuff, depends upon how the environment looks like. But in my case, I only have two different volumes in there. So the one storage is for my local Proxmox itself, but another volume is for my virtual machines disks. Now I will go into the local storage of Proxmox and go to ISO images and upload my ISO, which I just downloaded from Microsoft website. Just make sure that it says task OK, and then we close the window after that. And now we go and then create a new VM. So in the VM, make sure that you choose the right node. So I only have one node, there's no other options there. Put a name of the VM. It doesn't accept the spaces in the names. We move on to the next OS part there. We choose the disk storage there. Local is the only option in my case. You can have multiple disks and stuff if you want to. I choose the right ISO there. Change the guest OS type to Windows and then choose it's 11 2022 because it's either Windows 11 or 2022 server. So it's 2022 server, we'll go to next one. So when you're choosing 2022, it's gonna know that you may need some stuff by default and stuff. So we go graphics checks machine and other stuff, and we make sure that we choose the TPM store. It's necessary kind of thing to install Windows 11 or having a 2022 server. So we select that and jump into the next option, which is disks. Under disks, so we're gonna choose the disk for the VM. I'm gonna increase the disk size to just say 50, that will do. And the next one is for CPU. I'm gonna bump up the cores to 2 and go to the memory option. We don't need 4 gig there. I will cut it down to 2 gig. 204 it will do. And then the networks, I only have a 1 fridge LAN there, just a hyper network, and then we go with that and then finish. We just created a new VM on Proxmox now. We will turn it on and then make sure that we can go into the Microsoft Server 2022 installation mode. Just in the case if you don't know, in the Proxmox you can access the console from the left hand side. Click on Start Now and the server will turn on. Just make sure that you hit the key to boot it from the disk. And here you can see we successfully booted into the Microsoft 2022 server installation media. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye for now.